Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to overclock your monitor. Just simply follow the steps on the video.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
After that, you need to restart your PC or laptop.
A few moments later.
After the restart, you can check your display settings to see if it works. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Hit like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you.